Welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a purchase order in OnePatch. To create a purchase order in OnePatch, go to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and click Purchase Orders, then Purchase Orders. Once the page loads, you will see a button at the top of the page called Add Purchase Order. Click this. Once the page loads, you will see a table where you can enter the name of your product to add it into the purchase order. Just enter the name of the product. To add another product, click the button, add a new line, and then enter your product name. Then you can adjust the quantity you would like to purchase. When you change the quantity, you will see the total price of the purchase order go up. Once you are happy with all the products added to your purchase order, go to the top of the screen and go to the supplier drop-down and select the supplier you are looking to order from. Then go to the drop-down Select Status. The options in this drop-down are Draft, Submitted, Authorized, and Declined. In this case, select Draft. Submitted means that you have sent the purchase order to your supplier and waiting on the stock. Authorized is when you have received the stock and it will update the stock in OnePatch. Once you are happy with the purchase order, go to the bottom of the page and click Save. This will show you a success message. Then to view the purchase order you have created, click Purchase Orders, then Purchase Orders. And that's it. You have now created a purchase order. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your OnePatch account.